Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, the videos that I upload in my channel all are about educational purposes. So friends, do not ignore me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates. And please friends, watch the video till the end. Friends, today I am going to discuss Indian polity and constitutional general knowledges and questions answer. So friends, please like the videos and watch the video till the end. Friends, let's start the questions and answers. First question is, how many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Options are 4, 3, 2, 1. And friends, 10 seconds for you to think. You can also answer. Time out. The right answer is option B, 3. The Constitution of India gives President the authority to declare 3 types of emergency, and the emergencies are national emergency, state emergency, financial emergency. Friends, question number 2. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India in options are 1947, 1950, 1948, 1949. And friends, 10 seconds for you. And the right answer is option A, 1947. On 22nd July. Question, where was the first EVM electronic voting machine used in India? Options are option A, 1981 Karnataka, option B, 2000 West Bengal, option C, 1982 Kerala, option D, 1998 Maharashtra. And 10 seconds for you to think. Time out. And the right answer is option C, 1982 in the state of Kerala. Now question number 4. Which High Court for the first time in India declared Bandh as illegal? Options are A, Kerala High Court, B, Allahabad High Court, C, Gujarat High Court, D, Rajasthan High Court. 10 seconds for you to think. Time out. The right answer is option A, Kerala High Court. Question number 5. Who is the first female Speaker of Lok Sabha? Options are A, Urmila Singh, B, Sumitra Mahajan, C, Pratibha Patil, D, Meera Kumar. 10 seconds to think. And the right answer is option D, Meera Kumar. Friends, Meera Kumar served as the first female Speaker of Lok Sabha from 4th June 2009 to 4th June 2014. Question number 6. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Options are A, Somnath Chatterjee, B, G.V. Mavalankar, C, M.A. Iyengar, D, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. 10 seconds for you to think. Time out. And the right answer is option B, G.V. Mavalankar. Friends, G.V. Mavalankar served from 1952 to 1956. Next question. Which one is the oldest High Court of India? Options are A, Delhi High Court, B, Calcutta High Court, C, Bombay High Court, D, Madras High Court. 10 seconds for you to think. And the right answer is option B, Calcutta High Court. Friends, Calcutta High Court was established on 1st July in 1862. When Punjab was divided into Punjab and Haryana, Options are option A 1970, 1966, 1967, 1968, and 10 seconds for you. And the right answer is option B 1966 on 1st November. 9. Which is the second most spoken language in India after Hindi? Options are option A English, B Bengali, C Gujarati, D Telugu. 10 seconds for you to think. And the right answer is option B Bengali. Question number 10. What is the minimum stay essential before a person can apply for Indian citizenship? Options are option A 5 years, B 10 years, C 7 years, D 9 years. 10 seconds for you to think. And time out. And the right answer is option C 7 years. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please like the video.